Hello everybody, I'm Chuck Wick, and today we are going to talk about filters that have an internal post seal. To demonstrate, we're going to use a NAPA 400107. This can also be applied to any other filter that uses an internal post seal. So first of all, I would like to talk about our design and how this applies to the current model for NAPA. We use a post seal and a thread ring that interacts with the header of your equipment with a post and threads. It is critical to our design to maintain optimal efficiency to keep this post seal engaged at all times. We accomplish this by moving our post seal slightly lower in our filter so we maintain engagement at all times in all conditions. I will demonstrate how we accomplish this. We first and foremost want to make sure that we are properly lubing our gasket and our internal O-ring. You will see how this is useful as we install it on the header. Because of our design, the first thing to make contact is not the thread ring to the header, it is the internal post seal. So I feel the internal post seal hit, and with that being well lubed, it'll start to slide onto the post. And then as I apply upward pressure, the thread ring engages and we can start to spin the filter assembly on. We will take this up until we feel a positive gasket engagement. And at that time, following our pictogram, with maximum gasket contact, we will go 3/4 of a turn further. Now that we have achieved 3/4 of a turn past gasket contact, we have the optimum torque on our gasket to make sure that our filter stays leak-free through the duration of your service interval. I'm hoping that this demonstration will help you on the next time you go to install any of our products that have an internal post seal sealing configuration. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.